The KM18 firstly adapts the big screen technology. It has one USB charge port and features with a sleek gooseneck for easier access to the device. The KM18 Plus is upgraded with on-off switch to avoid draining battery out for some cars. The KM19 is the compact version of KM18. It is designed with two USB ports, one for charging and the other for reading USB files. The Nulaxy KM20 and KM21 adopt more user-friendly buttons for big fingers. You can switch the play modes from shuffle, repeat, and normal. It comes with one USB charge port and one USB reading port as well. The new KM22 comes with all features of previous versions. It is featured with 3D curved and 360 swiveling design. It comes with one USB charge port, one USB reading port, and so with power on-off button. Besides play mode, you can also choose EQ mode for the play. Nulaxy, driving you safer and better.